Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F213A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Firestone destination tires. Running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console does fold up and become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.